everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. How are you? I am ZURIFX, and today I'm going to do a well-requested video that everybody wants to know how I do it and what I do when I do it. I think I'm going to add some dots. I might do some dots. I think so. So today I'm going to take photos and have my eyes rolled in the back. When I take pictures and stuff, I like to roll my eyes in the back and take a photo, and it looks like I have no eyeballs. I don't know. And the most thing that I get in my inbox is, Zuri, where do you get your contacts? And I'm like, I don't own not one pair of contacts, so therefore I don't know where to get them. And I could look it up for you, but I really don't know. So what I'm about to do is probably just take a photo and give you an example, but it's probably not going to be the one that I post on social media. Here I am. So when I take a photo, I'm just going to roll my eyes back and flick. So I have a countdown on my phone, and I'm just going to press the button and make sure I roll my eyes back before it hits 1. So this is what it looks like when you roll your eyes back, and it gives you like a demon look or whatever, but it matches with a whole bunch of looks, and I love doing it. All I'm doing is counting down to 3, and then I roll my eyes back, and once that flash hits it, that's your picture. You're gonna have that picture for the rest of your life, and it's so cool. So I just roll back 1, 2, 3. And I try to keep my eyes down. And your eyes are, it's going to shiver. Your eyes are going to shake. So I decided to put dots on my face. I mean my eyes. To make them a little bit more dramatic. But like different sizes. See, it's a little bit more dramatic. See, now I'm getting carried away. Okay, so I went a little extra on my makeup and I made it into a fantasy look. But that's okay. So we're going to do this one more time. I'm going to roll my eyes back, and I'm going to count down from 3 and just roll it back. Or should I do it this way? You never get a good angle, especially you can't see. 1. Did I do it? And I got white eyes. Not the best picture, and I'm going to have to delete it. So I'm trying to get the right angle, but I'm going to do it one more time for y'all. And that's right. Okay, ready? All right. 1, 2, 3. See if it came out right. And there you go. Okay, that's how I roll my eyes. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you for being here to watch me roll my eyes back and try to look cute. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video, and if there's any other video you want me to do, just leave it down in the comments and I'll get right to it. And that's it. I am ZURIFX, over and out. Bye!